Hello and welcome to my this is just a sales video to go with my combo of tuner, integrated amp, power amp and CD player. And this is a CD player part. This is as new inside, just like all the other pieces in that style. Most of its lifespan in storage. Display is nice and bright. It already has a modification to stop display going dim. Capacitors, nice Rubicons and Elna long life. It's been serviced, you know, just checked basically for phase lock loop frequency and servos. I have two more of those CD players, also in very good condition but with dim display. But there you are, I finally got brand new Roksan Caspian displays, probably the last ones in the world. There you are, they've still got the film on them. So all that will now shortly be available for sale. This video is just to complement the other one that I made about the tuner and integrated amplifier. And of course no sales video would have been complete without proving to you that it plays faulty or difficult discs as well. So this is track number 8, which is purposely faulty. On purposely faulty test disc, which is has the interruption data layer, and the 15 has a black dot painted on it. So and plays them both nice without any artifacts, so it interpolates well. Thank you very much for your time, and till the next one. Bye bye.